Here it is. Nice to meet you. Oh, there she is. Dirty. Welcome home, baby. Good. Oh, she is dirty. Woo, ruby red. 5.6. Here it is, 2019 Ford Mustang Shelby GT350R in ruby red. Wow. Retail order GT350R sticker. The window crack just lets some heat out. It was April 5th, 2019, 7:01 in the morning. Here's the front splitter. And that one's in red. Just the little touches and the red accents. The carbon fiber dash just really help the interior, in my opinion. And unlike the 17 wide body, the fit and finish on this, I've noticed just examining the tolerances, how the body panels line up, the hood lines up at the doors, is so far superior than the 17. Go. And the first piece is off. Next, the front license plate, which we won't be putting on, but we're going to be taking this off anyway. Oh, interesting. See the difference in the car being dirty from transport and to what's underneath here. Pull this off right here, passenger side door. There we go. Bumper guard like this. And increase the torques in the higher RPM range. Beautiful. I've not seen anything like this. It's like a thick, sticky visqueen almost. But when it's crunched up, it's wow, interesting. Okay, well, probably something. little red sticker is now gone. Oh, it's gonna be one of those stickers, huh? Yeah, great. Okay, I put the camera down for this one. And that is it for the outside. Let me be the first to say that I know this whole process looks ridiculous. We really considered it and we thought, you know what, it would be fun to get a car that was non-dealer prepped. When the opportunity arose, we jumped on it. We got a special order vehicle, non-dealer prepped. It came straight to us and it was really fun just debadging it. Yes, there are just a few stickers for shipping, a few styrofoam pieces placed for shipping as well, but it was really a unique experience because I never know if I'll have that experience ever again. So I'm really grateful for the opportunity and it was fun. Ruby Red R was ordered fall of 2018. Final assembly was in April of 2019 and it was delivered June of 2019. One thing I did notice, and I've been looking around at a lot of the Mustang forums online, many people who received Rs or GT350s that started assembly in the fall of 2018 and final assembly wasn't until the following spring, received cars that were very, very dirty and had a tremendous amount of road salt or salt on the entire chassis and suspension. Engine bays were very dirty. The car just looked like it had weathered a storm. And our Ruby Red R was no exception. It showed up in the same condition. As you can see here, I am cleaning the undercarriage. After washing it, we're using detail products to really try and get the salt off of the suspension and undercarriage. It was a tremendous, tremendous amount of cleaning. Actually, I just mentioned this, but here I am here using my phone. I'm actually checking the forums to see if anyone else had this problem, and sure enough, there were other people that received GT350s and Rs that started their assembly in November of 2018 or that fall and resumed that spring, but I'm guessing the cars were left outside because there was just so much salt in areas where there shouldn't be salt and a lot of dirt. And again, this R was no exception. However, those are just incredibly minor problems. The end result is the car is exactly the color we wanted, and it was originally the GT350R we were pursuing. However, when we received the opportunity to work with Galpin Autosports and Anderson Composites on a 17 GT350, we were sidetracked, and that was the project we focused on at the time. But this was always the car we wanted for the Tracking Ponies Garage, and it is here, our Ruby Red R. The sun has come out. On the camera I have Look at that. My goodness. In the upcoming uploads, we'll go into more depth as to why we stayed with the GT350 and the R specifically. We have several very good reasons why this car is perfect for us right now in our garage. Thank you so much for watching and joining us on this journey as we take our cars to the track and share our experiences with you.